Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments.
So this is the bathroom sink, was the bathroom sink. When they put the cabinet in, they put a piece of plastic down on top of this awesome carpet, on top of linoleum. Now how cool is that?
Why wouldn't you just pull that carpet up?
Hey, look, there's padding under the carpet, so we're good.
I mean, I'm really glad the floor is safe.
Part of me doesn't believe that this trailer is actually a 95. I feel like it's a 1905.
I thought it was older than 95.
I don't know.
How can the appliances be from 85?
Good question.
Hello.
Andrea's hard at work on our coffee bar.
That came in like 30,000 pieces.
In
And
her
we're making one
defense.
because it's in the RV.
What?
Because I'm color matching.
Oh, yeah. I was like, oh God, why? In our defense, we bought it from Amazon. It's not like we went and bought it at Ashley or anything. But it's Sunday Fun Day, and by Sunday Fun Day, we mean putting the sink on, or the faucet. I gotta drill a hole to let the water inlet go over to the toilet. Might as well take the toilet off today. I got a lot of lighting to do. I'm gonna rewire all this lighting, hopefully today, so we can get rid of this poop.
And so you stop hitting your head.
Yeah, I smacked my head on this one already. The chains in the bedroom on that fan. I mean, look at this. I don't know if you can see this, but the queen needs my help. Day 375 of the reno. I got that light. No bulbs because we bought the wrong kind. This one has a bulb because we bought the right kind. Put the wrong bulb in though.
Yeah, but I like these bulbs better.
Yeah. They're all Edison style. So they're pretty. And then I got this light up for the bathroom, and the faucet's all hooked up and ready. Just waiting on the mirror that will be here like Tuesday. Take up that wall and some paint. All ready for ripping out the floor. Even got the friggin' toilet out. So we just got out of bed this morning. Well, just got out of bed. And trailer showed up to demo our floors. Well, I think they're out to lunch. But we got some work going on here. They did some leveling. I don't know how the heck they decided it needed leveling, but they did it. It's so quiet, or so hollow in here. But, of course, they had to level around the toilet. Nothing wrong with that. Super excited for this. They're at lunch, so my assumption is that the flooring will start going in after lunch, and they're just crushing it. Looks like there's a little bit of moisture or something that got in at that point. But it looks absolutely awesome. Really, really hate this. The water damage. Stupid. But it's all coming together, and this is what it'll look like. It's gonna look great. Can't wait. I'm a poet. I guess they gotta wait for that to dry, huh? But more will come later. Wow. It's gonna be the kitchen, the bathroom, and just 2 little spots in the
bedroom?
Yep.
I like it. What do you think?
Wow.
It's not open.
It looks really good. Oh, they put the vents back down too.
They don't look bad, but they're gonna change.
Yeah, they will change. It does. It smells brand new.
What do you think, Sam? You wanna come see the other carpet? Guys, did you see this carpet? Did you see her ears? You like it? Do you like the floors?
And let's look at the fun part now. Water damage. Water damage. Under here is water damage. They didn't caulk anything. Well, I think they attempted to. That didn't go well, so now on to ripping off the rest of the counter. So today, I am doing some, make it look good type stuff. Final touches, you might say, to the bedroom and the bathroom. Andrea's got some stuff going on too as she's working, so she's kind of doing both. But I hung the crochet hat rack. Don't mind the hideous shower, it's from 1922. But I hung our towel rack. It's, 4-arm plus these little hooks. Something we found from friends off Amazon a while back. We have one in our RV, so we figured we'd have one here because what better way to organize towels? But got a lot of stuff going on today, kinda. Butcher block was set yesterday. I got to finish cutting the sink today. The jigsaw I was using decided to get thrown in the garbage. But looking forward to get rid of these boxes, get that ladder out of here. A nice little sit-stand desk for Andrea. And then I think our deck table comes today. The top, I should say. So that should be nice. My wife would be so proud of me. I did it all by myself! Yay! Oh. Well, hopefully I did it without cutting. Cool, I didn't cut any of those. Yeehaw! Moment of truth is if it's cut straight. Because as Andrea has already stated, I get a little anal, a little annoyed. You guys, I know it's not like fully done, but man, does that look good or what? Can't wait for the stove to be in and this to be able to be perfectly cut and tied down. Woof. And then, well, obviously these getting painted. But man, looking good. Literally my favorite right now is the transformation that has happened here. Yeah, we got friends over, so. But look at that big old couch and people hanging out. My favorite. Nice little social area. Happy about it.
I got my plants hung up today and I'm super excited. And I'm just finishing up hanging blinds. And then my dad and Chris went to town for like the 10th time to figure out this stove hookup and plumbing for the sink and faucet. So, fun stuff. Those are literally the last things that we are waiting on to be able to get in here for the remainder of the winter season, which is basically until about April 1st. And then that's our hard date for heading out and starting our spring travels to go kind of a little west on our way back north to Minnesota. So that is that. It is getting there. We are close. Very, very close. And because nothing in this house was built professionally, I don't know how else you want to say it, most of the trim overhangs by like 1/4 to 1/2 inch. It's not flush. So you have to take the trim off to put the blind in and put the trim back on. And that is the process for every single window in here. Nothing is simple.
So, you're like, oh, we'll get a tiny home. There will be more space. We don't need more space. When you get more space, you have more junk. So, our idea of more space was a bigger bedroom. So, we got another Brooklyn bed. This time we did a regular king, not an RV king, so we got like 6 inches more space. We got about 4 inches of added walking space from what our RV bedroom has. So we just battled this thing. That's why I'm breathing hard. But it's almost ready.
Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.